Chapter 15. Data Handling. Data. Data is used in many ways by various government departments, private companies and educational institutions, etc. The following numerical values show the marks obtained by a student of class 7th in different subjects in an annual examination: 75, 76, 95, 85, 88, 98. The numerical values shown here are called observations, and collection of such observations form a raw data. Hence, data is a collection of numerical figures giving some specific information. Collection of data. There are two types of data: primary data and secondary data. Primary data. Data collected by an individual or a person appointed by him is called primary data. Example: if a person wants information about the monthly income, expenditure, number of family members, employees, etc. is called primary data. Secondary data. The data which is collected by someone else and used by the investigator for his requirements is called secondary data. Sources to obtain secondary data are periodicals and journals, reports published by authorized institutions, data published by the state or the central government. Organization of data. Once the data is collected, it has to be presented in such a form that it helps one to study it easily and draw inferences quickly. It is called distribution or presentation or organization of data. Data can also be presented in the form of tables, pictures, graphs and diagrams which have a lasting effect on the observer's mind. Let us learn about different terms we use in data handling. Statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing and interpreting data. Array. When raw data is put in ascending or descending order, it is called an array. Given below are the weights in kilogram of 20 students of class 7th: 25, 27, 10, 12, 17, 20, 8, 30, 35, 26, 27, 26, 22, 24, 28, 9, 15, 21, 29, 30. The data given above is raw data and it can be arranged in ascending order as 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 35. The data can be arranged in descending order as 35, 30, 30, 29, 28, 27, 27, 26, 26, 25, 24, 22, 21, 20, 17, 15, 12, 10, 9, 8. Frequency. The number of times an observation or an entry occurs in a data is called its frequency. In the example just discussed, the frequency of 27 is 2. Frequency distribution table. Data can be presented in a tabular form. Such a table is called a frequency distribution table. The table shows the frequency of each observation. To know the occurrence of observation in a data, that is frequency, we use tally marks like and. The fifth tally mark is entered as. Now make a frequency distribution table for the following marks obtained by 30 students of a class out of maximum marks of 20. 12, 14, 16, 15, 18, 17, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 11, 19, 20, 20, 19, 18, 19, 18, 16, 16, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 12, 13, 14, 17. The data on students can be presented in the following manner: marks, tally marks, Number of students. Range. The difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation is called the range of the data. Range of data equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Measures of central tendency. The measure of central tendency gives us a single value that tends to represent or describe the entire set of data. This single numerical value is called the average or central value. The commonly used measures of central tendency are arithmetic mean, mean, median, mode. Arithmetic mean, mean. It is the most common representative value of the data. It is just the average of given numbers. Just add up all the observations in the given data and then divide by total number of observations. In other words, it is the sum of observations divided by the total number of observations. That is, arithmetic mean equal to sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Symbolically, we denote the arithmetic mean by x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn upon n equal to sigma xi upon n, where sigma xi equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to plus xn. Example 1. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in tabular form: 3, 1, 5, 7, 7, 9, 8, 6, 5, 7, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7, 5, 4, 7, 8, 4. A. What is the value of the highest marks? B. What is the value of the lowest marks? C. What is the range of marks? Solution. A. Highest marks obtained equal to 9. B. Lowest marks obtained equal to 1. C. Range equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8.